All right, so it's been about 2 weeks since we've recorded anything. In the meantime, I've had some stuff come up. I actually drove to Rockport, Texas, and picked up another Bel Air for a daily driver, but that's another story. And had intentions on pulling the rear end out and having it seated and put in here, so to speak, but ran into some other stuff, personal stuff. That said, my buddy Jason's on his way right now so that we can start scabbing in the new quarter panels, rear quarter panels, quarter fenders. Gonna radius them and fix this lovely bodywork here, along with likely welding up all of these holes, simply because I have no idea what this is off of. It doesn't match. And I don't want a whole lot of chrome on the car, so all of this is likely gonna get welded up. And worst case scenario, if I want to, I can go back and re-drill them and install chrome later. But I guess I'm going to start getting the shop set up, and once Jace gets here, we'll get set up and get going. All right, so we are getting everything set up and trying to draw out a game plan. As you can see, there's some marks. Trying to decide how we're going to fill in the holes, and just getting a general overview before we get started. So hopefully we don't mess anything up and this goes pretty smoothly.
I can go on scuba diving.
Now, when Jason welded this yesterday, as you could see on the video, he would stitch a small spot here and then move down to here and then move over here to try and avoid getting heat built up in too many places. It was also double plug welded on the panel, and the brace behind is plug welded to the actual panel of the car. And as a result, it's solid. Now I can change my wheels out, and it will allow me to clear a larger wheel and tire, which hopefully is the rear end out from under this. I think that's going to be it for this episode. I'll probably start filming in the next couple of days as far as welding up holes on the car. And he may or may not be out today to finish up doing some body work. I guess from here on out, we're going to weld up everything and start prepping it and I guess paint it. I don't know, but we'll see. Thanks for watching.